This is a quick video to save time on the webinar to talk about material information packs, which I've been asked a lot about in advance of the meeting. So very quick summary of why it's important to use material information packs to make money. It's a great opportunity. The government wants it, trading standards wants it. It's been the making for a couple of years, and it's two reasons for this. One, it's going to protect your clients, and two, it's going to make you more money. Why? Okay, so first of all, the government wants it to be introduced, and it is there because they felt it unfair that the buyer didn't have enough information to actually buy the property. Compare that to buying a packet of crisps. You've got warnings on saturates and so forth. That's what, 50p to a pound. And compare the average property of £282,700, where there's no warning whatsoever. It's just a viewing, a couple of viewings, and a description of bedrooms and so forth, and that's it. And the government felt it unfair for a buyer to go and take the viewing or actually start buying the property and spend all those potential thousands of pounds on initial legal costs, only to find out later that it wasn't for them, or it wasn't right for them, or there's a defect in there which they could have sorted out earlier on. So first of all, it's the right thing to do, it's the ethical thing to do, but it's legal. The other thing, to get proper material information pack that has to be compliant, if you want to look at our website, there's videos there from Emma Cook, from the managing policy maker at Trading Standards, and Nathan Emerson, the CEO of Property Mark, and explains why you've got to comply with material information obligations, and they're quite severe. There's an unlimited fine. That's bad for reputation, but apart from the financial consequences, then there's a lifetime ban, and there's also potential imprisonment of up to 2 years. So it's serious. Okay, so you've got to do it. But where are the benefits? So first of all, if you actually get a proper material information pack, which we call ours proper, because it's an exchange ready pack too, we actually look at all the material information. So on our pack, we've got 3 pages worth of material information, which you can download onto your portal. We also include a title check, office copies, additional inquiries and solutions as well, with an insurance pack as well. So they cover the things like breaches of restricted covenants, building regulations and planning. It's ready. So our intention with our pack is during the marketing period, which you have to get it from the listing anyway, but during the marketing period, which according to the portals is 103 days, which is over 3 months, that's the average, could take less, could take 2 months. But over during that period, we intend with our pack to actually do most of the title checking and get it almost exchange ready. To the point that when an offer is accepted, that pack will be used to actually complete in 60 days. That's 60 days subject to the mortgage offer coming in. Okay, so the mortgage offer comes in early, even better, but 60 days, that's 2 months. And that is in accordance with what the government wants to do, or has looked at rather, the Danish example from Denmark and Norway, they're both doing it in 60 days. That's our intent. We've set our stall out there. That's what the industry wants to have, as opposed to 5 months it takes on average to completion. So in your respect, that's turning your pipeline every 60 days. That's you getting paid your pipeline 6 times a year turn, as opposed to 2 times a year turn. I don't see how agents can make good profit, or profit that they deserve in the work that they do, when 39.8% on average, according to on the market data, of their deals go abortive. That's 39.8% of their deals go abortive. Now, using this, we're looking to do 5% abortive rate, which is a 95% success rate. So we're looking to make agents, even on 10 deals a month, at the average Property Mark say is lost on each abortive. That's what Property Mark say is 4,600. Even at 10 deals a month, on the 6,500 average, which Property Mark say, that's on the average property, then we'll make them 167,000. That's £167,000 extra profit. That's extra income, but doing nothing else by completing earlier. And on top of that, will save the client money as well. Because, for example, if the first deal goes abortive, which 4 in 10 on average do, by the time you put by the time the buyer looks for another property, again, 2 to 3 months, another 4 to 5 months on the second set of legals, that's potentially 8 months. Even if the market shifts by 2.5% on average property, according to the land registry, of £282,700, just a 2.5% shift on that, that's £7,000 lost to the client. So it's important that you find someone to not only get them through in 2 months from completion, so from offer accepted, not 5, but also for yourselves as well. So I hope that helps. But if you've got any questions, then please fire away by email or on the webinar that's coming up soon. Okay, thank you very much. And by the way, my name is Andrew Piccirillo. I should have said at the beginning, I'm joint CEO of AVRillo. Thank you.